This video will show you how to make your Android device never turn off. If you find this guide helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video. It can be really frustrating when your phone keeps turning off, especially if you need it to stay on for a task. Keep in mind that while the screen will stay on, you'll eventually need to plug your device in to prevent the battery from running out. To get started, we'll be using an app. First, open the Google Play Store and tap on the search bar at the top. Then type in Screen Stay Awake. I've already searched it before, so here it is. Tap on the app, then click Install, and wait for it to download. Once the app is installed, open it up. You'll be prompted to allow notifications. Go ahead and do that. Next, find the Always setting and turn it on. You'll get a pop-up asking you to confirm. Just toggle it on, then press the back button. Now, your phone will never automatically turn off. As I mentioned earlier, you'll need to charge your phone at some point. But other than that, the screen will stay on. That's all there is to it.